We'll guide you through how to scan for viruses on a Windows PC or laptop. It's a very similar process on both Windows 11 and 10. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. If you're concerned there's some type of virus on your computer, we can go and run a scan. It will then go and scan it, and if it finds anything malicious, it will go and remove it for you. So there's actually a way you can do this, which already is on your computer. So what you need to do is you need to come to the bottom and go and click search, and you need to go and type in Windows Security. Within Windows Security, we can go and use the Defender. So go and click on this here and wait for it to go and open up. Then what you can do is come to the top left and press the 3 lines. And you can go down and you can go and use Virus and Threat Protection. Click there. Now we can go and see the protection here. So you can go and do a quick scan, but you can also go and click on scan options and scroll down. You can do a full scan, and you can do a custom one, and even an offline scan as well. So usually a quick scan should be fine. It's going to go and do the main folders, but if you're really concerned, a full scan is a good idea to do. With that selected, you can go and press scan now, and you can now go and wait. You can go and see the estimated time, and it will go and tell you if it goes and finds anything at the end. If you found this useful and want to see more like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.